If you're overweight and want to start exercising, but you feel intimidated, embarrassed, or unsure where to begin, this video is for you. Because starting is hard, but it's not impossible. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take your first step. Let's be honest, fitness online can make you feel like if you're not doing burpees, HIIT, or extreme gym workouts, you're not working hard enough. But that's not true. You don't need to be in shape to start. You just need a plan and patience. And by the end of this video, you'll have both. Step 1. Forget the word exercise, think movement. Your goal for the first week is just 10 minutes a day. Walk around your home, march in place, or go for a slow walk outside. This is about consistency, not intensity. You're teaching your body and your mindset to simply show up. When you're overweight, your joints work harder, so let's protect them. Low-impact exercises are your superpower. Try chair squats, wall push-ups, step taps, seated leg lifts. These moves build strength, protect your joints, and boost your metabolism, all without pain. To stay in the fat-burning zone, use the talk test. If you can talk but not sing while moving, you're at the perfect pace. No gasping, no sprinting, just steady, effective movement. In week 1, do 10 minutes. Week 2, go to 15 minutes. Week 3, add 1 or 2 new exercises. This slow, steady progression helps you lose fat safely, avoid injuries, and build long-term habits. Remember, this isn't a race. It's a relationship you're building with your body. And here's the part no one talks about. You don't need confidence to start. You don't need perfection to start. You just need that first step. Every minute counts, every rep counts, and you count. If you want a full beginner workout plan you can follow at home, comment "Start" below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to FlipFit Yourself for more real, judgment-free fitness tips.